watching Intuitive Pig. And so I've been doing one of my first videos was actually making these and
And what are these?
These are they're like fold out things. They're cool. And
Show me one how it folds out.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you one, and then I can talk about them more, so you see this, it just looks like a picture with very small paper, and then they fold out like this, and then she grows really long arms, and yeah, so we're actually gonna make a part 2 on making these, because I don't think we're going to do that today, but I'm going to show you all of them, and then I can talk about them a little. So we have this one my dad made. So you see this, he looks like a boy. But then, what do you call this?
Like an alien?
Okay, it's an alien with a lot of eyes and a long nose. So nice with that. And then here's the last one that I'm going to show you. Here it is. It's So, let me do this. Okay, so there's a shark, and so this is it's a present with a dog popping out, and then there's a shark. And that's strange. So then you open the present, and the mom, and then there are puppies, and that's actually a kitten, and then the kitten and the puppies are all gonna fall into the shark water, but the shark's nice. And and I made that one, but yeah, and you don't have to color them really at all. I just did because I wanted to. Yeah, this is not gonna be a long video, so I'm just gonna talk about them a little. And yeah, when you're making them, you want to make maybe I can try to make one because I don't actually know how to make one. And then this will be just something for, so I think you do this and then this.
Mm-hmm. Kind of make an S shape.
Kind of like this?
Yep.
And then do I?
Yep, fold it down.
Like this?
Nope, you already had it. Now fold it flat. Just push it flat. There you go. And then when it opens up, it's big.
So so that's my first time actually really making these. My dad usually makes them. Yeah, that was just how to show you how to make them, and then we'll show the whole steps in the next part. But yeah, I'll see you later in the next part. Okay, so you probably just saw part 1, and I'm taking a little break. But yeah, and so we're gonna be making them step by step, and we'll be coloring them, and maybe we could even add stickers if we wanted. But yeah, let's get started by the folding. So you'll need a normal size piece of paper, and you'll want to do this, and then you'll want to go like this, kind of like an S right here. And then, so you have that folded. I am not good at this way. And so, we have this done. It's actually not very straight. But now we're gonna draw what we want. So I have a permanent marker right here. And we might actually be making 2. So I'm gonna make an octopus. So here's the octopus's body. They have really strange eyes, so I'm not gonna draw their eyes because I don't even know what an octopus looks like. So I don't even know if they have mouths.
I think it's in between their tentacles, so you don't normally see it.
Okay. Here's one tentacle.
How many tentacles do they have?
8.
That's great.
That joke didn't work. if you're trying to make it a joke. 1, 2, 3. Four. I only need 4 more.
Well, maybe you can't see all of them. You don't have to see all 8 at once, right?
Yeah, so like this one's hiding a little. Okay. 6. And then 7. Well, I want to show all 8 of them. And then, okay, so we'll have 1 of the 8 in the back. Just so it makes it easier. Okay. So now we're going to fold this out. And we're going to make the long tentacle. I bet you knew that was going to happen because, like, an octopus and tentacles. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And if you've ever made one of these, they're pretty easy to make. Maybe a little hard for the younger kids.
What types of creatures are good for this?
Like octopuses and like elephants because elephants have trunks.
What about giraffe with their neck?
Oh yeah, that would be. I think we've actually made one like a giraffe before, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think you have.
Maybe a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this is just all fun. You don't have to make it look perfect. You can make it look all funny. Here's its mouth. Its mouth is going to be right there.
Nice.
But now we're going to color it. Don't worry, it's not going to be a long coloring practice. Coloring practice? It's not me. Did you know that if you find an octopus with like circles like that, that's the most deadliest one? And it has blue on it. They're the most deadliest.
The blue rings octopus? Did you know there's like, they can fit in your hand, they're tiny?
Yeah.
What country do they live in?
I don't know.
Australia.
Oh.
What were you saying?
I said Canada.
I'm not sure they like the cold as much. So you're making a deadly octopus?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm making the deadliest one. This doesn't matter which tentacle it is. You know how I know if it's a tentacle? Because I don't. And it's almost Christmas. Only 2 more sleeps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby, I can, on my other channel, I can read this book that I have. 5 More Sleeps of Christmas. I don't know if it's Christmas Day or Christmas night. This is my own deadly octopus. Like I made.
What would you name it?
I don't know. Spots.
There's just only a couple, though, not a lot yet. I had to throw away your advent calendar, the Minecraft sock one, but this was the last pair. So did you do that pair already?
Machine.
I was just cleaning up in here.
Speeding through. This. Alright. But yeah, I'm ready to see it like, you know, so it looks like a tiny little baby octopus when it grows.
Kind of looks like it's like a, what do you call those things?
Seals?
I don't know. If anybody can think of the thing, tell me.
Dinosaur?
Jellyfish at first, and then it turns into an octopus.
Oh yeah, jellyfish.
What is
This
it?
looks more like a jellyfish.
No, that's okay.
This looks more like an octopus. This looks more like a jellyfish.
Oh,
And
yeah.
we're gonna make one more. So we're gonna, I actually really like making these. We just don't have the time to usually make them. Oh, I think the dog's going to do that.
We're gonna go to First Watch in Kirkwood.
Mommy, are we gonna go see Savannah? Okay. Never mind. So guys, what should I make? What should I make?
What about
Let's do the
this
giraffe.
The giraffe.
one? What's in here? Jane, did you type this one?
Yeah. Okay.
Tommy.
So we have the giraffe's face right here. It's very creepy. But
I like it.
it looks more like a camel.
Tommy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a camel. But it's still gonna have a long neck. So then
What is it?
its feet.
What is it? Which one do you like?
Then we're gonna make
They're not just ring pops, they're sour. They're sour lemonade and sour raspberry.
so it's more of a fat giraffe. No, it's a camel. It's a camel.
I was gonna say if you do a giraffe, you could put spots on it.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a camel. It looks like
camel.
oh, this camel.
Camels don't have 5 legs.
That's four-legged.
Four-legged. Here's a camel color. It's a skin color, but it works for
Sure.
a camel color.
Camels
Those
are basically
are the-
people.
Those are the little bites on the giraffe, because I thought I was making a giraffe, but this is way more of a camel than a giraffe. And camels are so easy to draw.
Jay, are you doing planning to make a giraffe and then you switch to a camel? Because that has a very long neck, and I wonder why that doesn't have a tail if it's a camel.
Oh, good point. Give it a tail.
Okay.
So Tommy, are you gonna come to the restaurant with us?
What do you mean by a restaurant?
We're going to First Watch for brunch.
What? Where are we going?
It's called First Watch. They have like
Yeah,
pancakes
breakfast
or
and-
French toast or waffles.
So we're finished with the two that we're gonna bake today. And this was just something easy to make. Like, it's just supposed to teach you how to make them. If you wanted to make an easy craft with no cutting or really any mess, like messing, these are good to make because they're super simple. Yeah, that's it for this video, so bye!